Assalamualaikum students, we are going to start question number 5 of exercise number 1.3 in which A is equal to 1, 2, 3. It is a 3 by 3 matrix. B has same 3 by 3 matrix and C is also a matrix of order 3 by 3. We have to prove some rules in this question. First we start its first part in which we have to prove A plus C is equal to C plus A. It is commutative rule of addition, commutative law of addition. For this we can solve it as we know A is equal to this matrix and C is equal to that matrix. By adding them, first we start it with A plus C as A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. And plus C is equal to minus 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 2, 3, 1, 1, 2. By adding A into C, we can use it 1 minus 1, 2 plus 0, 3 plus 0. Next one 2 plus 0, 3 minus 2, 1 plus 3. Next one 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 and 0 plus 2. By solving these values, by adding them into each other, 1 minus 1 0, 2 plus 0 is equal to 2 and 3 plus 0 is also equal to 3. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Next one 1 plus 1 2 minus 1 plus 1 cancel each other effect and it becomes 0. 0 plus 2 2. It is the value of A plus C. Next we have to find C plus A. For the value of C plus A, we use the first matrix as C minus 1 0 0 0 minus 2 3 1 1 2 plus value of A 1 2 3 2 3 1 1 minus 1 0. By adding them, by adding C into A, minus 1 plus 1 0 plus 2 0 plus 3. Next one 0 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 3 plus 1 1 plus 1 1 minus 1 and 2 plus 0. For the solution, minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0, 0 plus 2 becomes 2, 0 plus 3 is equal to 3, 0 plus 2 is equal to 2, minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. 3 plus 1 equals to 4, 1 plus 1 equals to 2, 1 minus 1 becomes 0 and 2 plus 0 becomes 2. As seeing these two matrices A plus C and C plus A, both these values are equal. They are equal matrices as they have same order. They are of order 3 by 3 and have corresponding entries are same. Their corresponding entries are same as 0 2 3, 0 2 3 in first row, second row 2 1 4, same here in A plus C, and 2 0 2 is also same in all of them in both these matrices. So we can write it A plus C is equal to C plus A. Thus proved.